Hello everyone, welcome to Mirai Asset Sheikh Khan's quarterly sector preview. In this episode, we will look at what's in store for the chemical sector in Q1FY2027 and what the key takeaways are for investors. Make sure to stay with us until the end of the video, where we will reveal the specific list of sector leaders and laggards for the quarter along with our direct stock recommendations. Let's begin with a quick snapshot. Sales growth versus margin lag. Our coverage universe is likely to report a 14.4% year-on-year growth in sales driven by higher product prices. However, EBITDA is expected to grow at 10.3% year-on-year as raw material prices are passed on with a lag. Segment divergence. Specialty, CDMO and refrigerants remain steady due to fixed contracts, while agrochemicals face a mixed setup and organic chemicals experience near-term margin risk. The China overhang. Fertilizer exports from China are up 23% YTD, creating broad-based pricing pressure across the entire value chain. Sector deep dive. Revenues for our coverage universe are supported by elevated product prices, but the profitability varies by sub-segment. In the specialty, CDMO and refrigerant segment, multi-year contracts provide volume visibility. Refrigerant gas is experiencing volume and pricing growth driven by heat wave demand and newer generation gas adoption, such as R32. For the organics pack, elevated product prices support near-term revenue. However, higher raw material cost weigh on margins until pass-through occurs. Backward integrated players with better procurement are relatively insulated, and medium-term operating leverage is expected to cushion margins as pricing catches up. The agrochemicals segment enters the kharif season with headwinds. Domestic kharif acreage is tracking 23% below last year as of end June. 90% of LPA monsoon call with El Nino risk adds an overhang, while Chinese agrochem export volumes are up 20% YTD, limiting pricing power for generic players. Company-specific expectations. Here is what we expect from individual companies this quarter. Navin Fluorine. Growth is supported by R32 demand in the HPP segment, Nubeqa performance in CDMO, and the Project Nectar ramp-up. SRF. Refrigerant gas volumes in the pricing drive revenue, but the specialty chemical business is muted due to pricing pressure and seasonal weakness. Aarti Industries. MMA sales are supported by stable naphtha gasoline spreads, but Middle East exposure impacts volumes, and inflated sales are expected to lower the EBITDA percentage. Absolute EBITDA is a key monitorable. Gujarat Fluorochemicals. Strong year-on-year revenue is expected from the ramp-up of new fluoropolymers, new capacity in fluorochemicals, and higher R32 and R134A prices. PI Industries. CSM export volumes are aided by pulled forward demand, but pricing and EBITDA margins face pressure from competitive launches in the US market. Vinati Organics, Atul and PCBL. Vinati Organics is supported by an antioxidant plant ramp-up. Atul Limited expects volume-led life science growth, and PCBL expects a volume pickup from new capacity. Outlook and picks. With these factors in place, our view on chemical sector is neutral. As promised, here are stock recommendations and the expected performance ranking based strictly on our research report. Our core buy recommendations are Navin Fluorine with a target price of ₹7800, SRF at 3170, Aarti Industries at 570, Atul Limited at 7700 and Vinati Organics at 1500. We maintain a hold rating on Gujarat Fluorochemicals, PI Industries and PCBL. For this quarter, our projected leaders are Navin Fluorine, SRF and Aarti Industries, while the laggards are PI Industries and PCBL. That's all from our end for the chemical sector preview. Given the current setup of rising raw material cost and export pressures from China, do you think backward integrated chemical companies will outperform generic players in your portfolio this quarter? Share your views in the comment section below. You can now access our in-depth research for IT and other sectors on a real-time basis by joining the WhatsApp channel for the Mirai Asset Sheikh Khan Research Center. The link is in the description. Explore research calls and detailed reports across equity, F&O, commodities, ETF and more. Visit research.sherkhan.com to kickstart your wealth creation journey backed by our research experts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates from Mirai Asset Sherkhan. See you next time.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.